Hi, this is Gene from iFixSmartphone.com. Today I want to talk about how to test your side button works properly or not. I hear a lot of users saying feels like the side button is not working properly, or feels like one's lower, and like kind of like complaining. But before you take it to the Apple Store, I just want to show you how to test it yourself, because this is how the Apple test also. And if this passes, Apple's just gonna tell you your phone is normal. So I'm trying to help you so that it saves your time to trip to the unnecessary Apple Store trip. So this is how you do it. So you get the phone either turned on or turned off, and this button right here is pretty big, but they test in three different areas. So if you click on top, middle, and bottom, and if it all responds, your phone will pass. So I'm gonna get a little stick, black stick here, and press the top part of the button. See, it goes off, turns on. Now I'm gonna do the middle, turns off, turns on, bottom, and on. So if these three areas do respond to your press, your phone will test as normal. It's just a short video how to test it yourself. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.